Dear students, welcome to another class of Connect Learner app. In today's class, we will be discussing the topic of units, digit, remainder and zeros at the end. Even though the title is very long, they are actually three different topics. I have merged them into a single lesson, and all of them, they are very narrow concept, very easy concepts to learn and also remember. I am your CSAT faculty, Sachin Gopanaal, and now we shall go to the first question. This question, it was asked in the 2023 paper. Let us take a look at it. What is the unit digit in the expansion of 57,242 raised to 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1? Okay. Now, they do not want us to calculate the entire value of this number. They want us to calculate what will be the units digit of this entire number. So, anyway, by common sense, they are not expecting us to calculate the whole thing. So, there must be some way to get the unit digit, right? So, let us see what the method is. Now, the method is like this. Whenever you are talking about unit digit, take the last digit, then see how it varies when it is subjected to powers of different number. For example, 2 to the power of 1, it is 2. 2 square, it is 4. 2 cube, it is 8. And 2 to the power of 4, it is 16. Done. Now let us go further. 2 to the power of 5, that is 32. 2 to the power of 6, that is 64. 2 to the power of 7, that would be 128. And 2 to the power of 8 is 256. We can go further. 2 to the power of 9 would be 512. 2 to the power of 10 would be 1024. 2 to the power of 11 would be 2048. And 2 to the power of 12 would be 4096. Now, do you see any pattern there? Yes, there is a pattern. I will tell you what. Now, look at the last digit of these numbers. It is, these three are their single digits numbers. So, the last digit is 248 themselves. Here, the last digit is 6. So, 2486. Okay. Now, see here. Again, the last digits, they make the same pattern, 2486. Here also, they make the same pattern, 2486. So, when 2 is raised to any power, it will make this cycle. This is called cyclicity, 2486, 2486, 2486. Now, this is not applicable to only 2. Any number that ends with 2, it will follow the same pattern. For example, 12 to the power of 1 is 12. 12 square is 24. Then 12 cube, I think it is 1728 or something. And 12 to the power of 4, I do not know the value, but it will end with 6. So here also you will get 2486. So any number ending with 2, when you raise it to any power, the last digit of the resultant number, it will follow the same pattern. So that is the logic here. Here the last digit is 2. So we already know the cyclicity of 2. So for every 4 powers, it will complete one cycle. So if you want the last digit of 2 to the power of 40, since 40 is divisible by 4, the last digit would be 6. Something. And it will be ending with 6. And if you talk about 2 to the power of 41, then 2486, the cycle is completed, then it will come back again because 40 is divisible by 4, but 41, it is 1 more than that. So the last digit would be 2 because the cycle is completed, 2486 and again 2. Then if you talk about 2 to the power of 42, the last digit would be 4. Then that way, now we need to calculate the last digit of 57242 raised to 97531. So how do we do that? I will tell you how. Take this value, 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1. This is not a very big number. It is actually calculatable. What is 9 into 7? 9 into 7, it is 63. What is 5 into 3? It is 15. And 1, it does not matter to us. So what is 63 into 15? 15 3s are 45 and 15 6s are 90 and we have 945. Is 945 divisible by 4? No. 944 is divisible by 5. How do we know that 944 is divisible by 5? The divisibility rule of 4 says that, make a note of this, the divisibility rule of 4 says that if the last 2 digits of any number are divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. So 944 is divisible by 4. 945, it is not divisible. So what is the cyclicity of 2? The cyclicity of 2 is 2, 4, 8, 6. So if the power were 944, then the last digit would have been 6. But here the power is 945. That is, this number, it is nothing but 57,242 raised to 945. Since 5, it comes 1 after this, the cycle will repeat and you will get a 2. So the last digit of this entire expression, that would be option A. Done? Okay, we shall go to the next question now. What is the unit digit in the expansion 3210123 raised to 98765? 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. So how do we do this one? Now let us take the cyclicity of 3 first. The cyclicity of 3. What is the cyclicity of 3? It is 3971. How? You need not memorize the cyclicity of all the numbers. You can calculate them in your examination hall within just a few seconds. I will tell you how. 3 to the power of 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 3 cube is 27. And 3 to the power of 4 is 81. Then 3 to the power of 5 is 81 into 3. That would be 343. So now you have hit the repetition phase. So then again you will get 3971. Done. So now we need to calculate this value and see if it is divisible by 4. So the value is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. Now look at this 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. They are slightly bigger than the previous one. This one, it was 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1. So here you have further bigger numbers. So the actual multiplication, it would be a bit difficult because 9 into 8, that would be 72. 7 into 6, that would be 42. And then you have a 5 here. So multiplication of these numbers, it is difficult. However, see that you have an 8 here. If you have an 8 there, it means that this entire expression, it is divisible by 4. Because 8 is divisible by 4. So if you multiply anything with 8, then the entire thing, it would be divisible by 4. So this number 3210,123 raised to anything which happens to be a multiple of 4, then the cyclicity would hit here, right? So this is 3 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 8, 3 to the power of 12. They will all have the last digit to be 1. So if here 3 is raised to any multiple of 4, we will have the last digit to be 1. That is option D. Then let us go further.